Join me as I take on the challenge of launching my very first AI Faceless channel in 2025 and see if I can make it a success. Welcome to today's video where you'll learn how to launch your first AI Faceless channel in 2025. We'll guide you through the essential steps to get started. Many aspiring content creators struggle with the idea of being on camera or lack the resources for video production, but Faceless channels offer a solution. This format allows you to focus on creating high-quality content without the need for expensive equipment or a studio. Your voice, or rather, a voiceover, becomes the star of the show. With AI technology advancing rapidly, it's become easier to produce engaging content without appearing on camera. The beauty of Faceless channels lies in their versatility. They can cater to a wide range of niches, from educational content to entertainment. By leveraging AI tools, you can automate many aspects of content creation, making it more efficient and scalable. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, Faceless channels offer an exciting opportunity to connect with your audience in a unique way. Plus, with the reduced pressure of being on camera, you can focus on developing your content and engaging with your viewers. We'll discuss the tools and technologies available for creating AI-generated content, including voiceovers, animations, and script writing, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. One of the most significant advantages of AI in content creation is the ability to generate high-quality voiceovers that sound natural and engaging. There are numerous AI voiceover platforms that offer a range of voices and languages, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your channel. Additionally, AI-powered animation tools can help bring your content to life without requiring extensive design experience. These tools often come with pre-made templates and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to create professional-looking animations. Script writing is another area where AI can lend a hand, with some platforms offering AI-assisted scriptwriting features that help you craft compelling narratives. The key moment will highlight a success story of a faceless AI channel that skyrocketed to fame, showcasing the potential earnings and audience engagement. One notable example is a channel that focuses on AI-generated educational content. By leveraging AI for voiceovers and animations, they were able to produce high-quality videos at scale. Their channel quickly gained popularity, attracting millions of viewers and generating substantial revenue through ads and sponsorships. This success story demonstrates the potential for faceless AI channels to achieve significant growth and engagement. The channel's creators were able to focus on developing their content and interacting with their audience, while the AI tools handled the more technical aspects of production. As a result, they were able to build a loyal following and achieve impressive results. The success of this channel highlights the opportunities available for creators who embrace AI technology. By adopting AI tools, you can streamline your content creation process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. In summary, launching a faceless AI channel in 2025 is not only possible but also a rewarding venture if you leverage the right tools and strategies. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on content creation.